That's arrested. You were lucky. You found the land actually. You were arrested in the scene. There were 4 on the way. Lucky enough, we apprehended one, and he's assisting us in trying to track down those who are large. The main issue that is fueling this thing is the scrap metal business, the copper business, so to speak. We are trying to liaise with national government to see how we can rein on this. And also I'm calling upon the Scrap Metal Council to come in and assist us in regulating the scrap metal dealers. So what we recovered in the lorry is the copper wires, and I mean the cables, and the cables and conductors that are used for transmission of energy. So those are the contents that we found from on that lorry. We are still yet to quantify the value. We are looking at a tune of 250 kilos.
Tugitigana maicano a Kenya nĩ merĩtio gũkorwo makĩgeria kwĩigira mũthithũ makĩria rĩrĩa marĩ na hinya wa kwĩruta